Azaria. Today, I just built my house and it's pretty nice. And I have wooden tools, so let's get into this video. So, I also have a new Minecraft skin. Hope you guys like it. It's a super cute girl dressed up as a ghost. Or it's a polar bear. I have no idea. So, it's not dark right now, and we live right across this village. So now I have wooden tools. So today I'm gonna be trying to maybe find some stone. Today I'm gonna be trying to find some like stone and, ooh, sheep. I need you for food. Okay, so I will have to, ooh, there's some stone here. So, okay, so I'm going to get a bunch of stones so I can get some, like, so we have a bunch of wood and oh my god! Oh, that was crazy. I just fell into a cave. I have no like way to get out. Okay. So there's a huge cave. Wow, there was a huge cave like right near my house. Wow. Okay. So we're gonna go make some stuff. So where's my crafting table? Okay, it's up here. Oh, I need sticks. Let's go get some sticks. I waste. Oh no. Give me my sword. Give me my axe back. Okay, so we're gonna go chop down this tree to make some sticks. And I'm not gonna leave it floating because floating trees are against the law. I will put a ban against floating trees in my town. Okay, no, I said I put a ban on floating trees, but this is taking too much time. Okay, so let's go to the other side because the other side has a lot more trees than this side. I'm so sorry, everyone. I forgot to do my intro, but so I usually do my intro, but today I did not do my intro because I forgot. I'm so sorry. Okay, so, ooh, sticks. Okay, so let's go. Hello, cow. I love you too much. Okay, so we just shoveled a little. Let's make a bunch of wood planks so we can make a bunch of sticks. We can make so many sticks, like that should be enough. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's make some stone stuff. So I will put this stuff away. Okay, so now we're gonna go mining again. Oh, let's cook this mutton. Okay, so I am back. Let's just eat this cooked mutton and we'll save that one. Let's close my doors so creepy people won't come in. So I know I'm not the only one on this server, I believe, but right now I am. Let me check. Yeah, right now I am the only one on the server, but this isn't a single player server because it is definitely not single player because Kamara, is that Kamara? Kamara is gonna join in next episode maybe, but she oh, thank God. Kamara, is that how you say her name? Oh, it's Kamara. So Kamara is gonna join this server. If you guys don't know who Kamara is, go check her out. She's a pretty small channel with only like 12 subscribers, but that's me too. So Kamara is a Roblox and Minecraft YouTuber just like me. So we decided to collab. Yay, there's more iron! I've been looking for iron. We have 11 iron. That's pretty. Ooh. So let's get this. I hope I don't die while mining, or I will be extremely upset. Okay, we're making torches because I cannot see, like, at all. There we go. More iron! Yes! Oh my God, this is so much. Okay, so, ooh, there's one more bit of iron. This is so much iron. Okay, so. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, And stay tuned for next time when Kamara comes online. Or I do mining and stuff.